Welcome to Best Productly.
10 Best Countertop Dishwasher New Model 2022. We are going to check out top 10 best countertop dishwasher in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion, and I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this countertop dishwasher, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Top 10.
Aramson AETDQR0 3 Portable Countertop Dishwasher. Compact mini dishwasher with 5-liter built-in water tank and air dry function. 5 washing programs, baby care, glass, and fruit wash white black. AETDQR0 3 countertop dishwasher with upper and lower rotating spray arms provide corner-to-corner coverage. Washing temperature range 122-167. Thoroughly dissolve grease stains, transforming crusty, greasy, or messy dishes into clean, ready-to-use place settings. In addition, compared with manual dishwashing, this dishwasher uses only 1.3 gallons of water, which reduces water consumption by 80%. It also only consumes 0.1350.439 kWh of electricity per cycle and saves floor space. Dimensions: product depth 16.75, product height 18.05, product width 16.86, product weight 26.46 pounds. Noise level 50.2 dB. With the portability of a countertop dishwasher, you can move it into an RV, boat, or cabin in the woods. Pick up your portable countertop dishwasher and take it with you.
Top 9.
Black Plus Decker BCD 6W Compact Countertop Dishwasher. 6 place settings, white, 7 superior wash cycles. With this incredible Black Plus Decker portable dishwasher, you find the right wash cycle that works for you and your dishes. Our 7 wash cycles for this 21.5 x 21.7 x 17.2 dishwasher machine include normal, intensive, eco, glass, 90 minutes, rapid, and soak. Save water and time in the kitchen cleaning by letting this stainless steel dishwasher do all the hard work. LED display. Set your wash cycle and time with ease thanks to this intuitive dishwasher LED display. Thanks to its easy-to-navigate electronic touch controls, you can see remaining cycle time and even delay start time. Child lock included with portable dishwashing machine to secure maximum safety.
Top 8.
Countertop Portable Dishwasher. Novy Compact Dishwasher with 5-liter built-in water tank, 5 washing programs with baby care, fruit washing, hot air dry storage. 5 washing programs. This Novy dishwasher offers 5 wash cycle options: normal, speed, eco, baby care, heavy, and fruit. The water temperature from the upper and lower spray arms can reach a temperature of 167 degF, giving your tableware and cutlery a complete streak-free deep cleaning. The speed cycle lets you clean items in only 29 minutes. Note: do not move the dishwasher while it is operating or paused. Only move it when the water tank is completely drained.
Top 7.
portable countertop dishwasher, 5 washing programs, built-in 3 cups water tank, 3D Cyclone spray, fruit and vegetable cleaning with basket, high temperature, air drying, lights, faucet adapter included. Built-in lights function, portable size, 16x 17.5 inch, 26.4 lb net weight. Convenient dishwasher can fit a variety of dishes, up to 12 inches in diameter at an angle, and is ideal for small-sized houses, apartments, dorms, boats and campers, RVs. Multi-washing programs, 6 wash programs, standard, quick, strong, eco, fruit and DRY. Lower and upper spray arms give dishes that streak-free deep cleaning. Easy-to-use control panel. The LED digital controls show a clear picture view of wash controls, and the automatic water level indicator lets you know when the correct water level has been reached.
Top 6.
Portable countertop dishwashers. Novi compact dishwashers with 5L built-in water tank and inlet hose, 5 washing programs, baby care, air dry function and LED light for small apartments, dorms and RV. Small size, large capacity. This portable dishwasher only measures 16.9x 16.8x 18.1 inches, but holds 4 full-place settings and fits up to 12 dishes loaded at an angle, easily meeting daily needs for a family of 3-4. The double-layer design offers enough space for 4x serving bowls, 4x cups, 4x small plates, 4x dinner plates, 7x spoons, 7x forks, and 7x knives. Perfect for small-sized houses, apartments, dorms, boats and campers, RVs. No installation needed. This countertop dishwasher supports 2 water supply modes, including a faucet mode and water tank mode. A built-in 5L water tank allows instant use when fully filled. The automatic water level indicator lets you know when the correct water level.
Top 5.
Countertop dishwasher. HAVA portable dishwashers with 5L built-in water tank and inlet hose. 6 programs, baby care, air drying function for small apartments, dorms and RV. Large capacity. This tabletop dishwasher only measures 16.9x 16.8x 18.1 inches, but can hold up to 4 full-place settings and fit up to 12 dishes loaded at an angle. The storage rack and cutlery basket make it easy to clean top rack only items such as knives, forks, and spoons, leaving more space for dishes and small pots. To ensure optimum dishwasher performance, please only use dishwasher detergent. 5 wash cycle options and dry mode. Supports normal, speed, eco, heavy/baby care, and fruit modes for your various dishwashing needs. After each wash cycle finishes, an extra dry mode provides an extra 60 minutes of drying and offers 72-hour ventilated storage to prevent odors and keep your dishes clean.
Top 4.
Countertop dishwasher. Aikoper portable compact dishwasher with 6L built-in water tank and water hose inlet. Mini dishwasher with 5 programs. Quick, for small apartment, dorms, RVs, black, white. For your convenience, when it comes to filling this smart dishwasher with water, you can choose manual or automatic option. The automatic option will fill the built-in 6L tank hands-free. If you want to get a dishwasher without changing your kitchen structure, a dishwasher with manual refill mode is your ideal options. You can refill the tank through the top water inlet. Note that the faucet is not part of the package. 5 cleaning modes. This countertop dishwasher features 5 cleaning modes: normal, hygiene, fruit, glass, and rapid.
Top 3.
Farberware FDW05 is black complete portable countertop dishwasher with 5-liter built-in water tank, 5 programs, baby care, glass, and fruit wash black white. Quality control note: all dishwashers are factory tested to ensure proper operation. As a result, it is normal for small amounts of residual water to be found in the unit. Compact design. This convenient dishwasher can fit a variety of dishes, up to 12 inches in diameter at an angle, and is ideal for small-sized houses, apartments, dorms, boats, and campers RVs. Depth. Door shut with handle 17.3 inch. Depth. Door shut without handle 16 inch. Depth with door open 90 degrees, 35 inch. Dishwasher size 24 inch. No hookups needed. If you want the advantage of portability and storage, this dishwasher gives you the choice to fill the built-in tank, so you don't need a water hookup. Water hose is included for a direct water hookup to kitchen faucet.
Top 2.
Countertop Dishwasher, 5 washing programs portable dishwasher with 5-liter built-in water tank and inlet hose and drain hose. When we enjoy cooking, we always have to face the problem of washing dishes. Dishwashers are not only a convenient way to clean up after a meal, but also save a considerable amount of water compared to washing dishes by hand. 4-place setting capacity. The countertop dishwasher appliance measures 16.8 x 16.7 x 18 inches, which has a 4-place setting capacity, and fits up to 12 dishes loaded at an angle. 5 washing programs. The mini dishwasher perfectly provides 5 washing programs: standard cleaning, fast cleaning, ECO cleaning, strong cleaning, and fruit cleaning. Dural high water pressure spraying arms give dishes that streak-free deep cleaning.
Top 1.
Countertop Dishwasher, 5 washing programs portable dishwasher with 5-liter built-in water tank for glass door. Perfect wash, no more washing dirty dishes by hand every day. Mini dishwashers increase the convenience of your life, even if the space is small. It can be placed in your kitchen. 4-place setting capacity. The countertop dishwasher appliance measures 16.8 x 16.7 x 18 inches, which has a 4-place setting capacity, and fits up to 12 dishes loaded at an angle. 5 washing programs. The mini dishwasher perfectly provides 5 washing programs: standard cleaning, fast cleaning, ECO cleaning, strong cleaning, and fruit cleaning. Dural high water pressure spraying arms give dishes that streak-free deep cleaning. Heat sanitizing. Dishwashers can clean tableware, fruits, and vegetables, and also use the drying function after cleaning to keep tableware dry and tasteless.
If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.